future was supposed to be electric, with Tesla leading the charge. Elon Musk's vision of a world dominated by EVs seemed inevitable, until everything changed in late 2024. After a top-secret meeting at Toyota's headquarters in Japan, Musk emerged visibly shaken. What he saw that day would upend everything we thought we knew about the future of transportation. Let's unravel the rise of an unexpected empire. For years, it looked like Elon had won. Tesla's stock was skyrocketing, legacy automakers were in a frantic race to catch up, and an all-electric future felt like a done deal. But while the world fixated on the EV revolution, Toyota, the world's largest automaker, was quietly working on something that could change the game forever. This isn't just another tweak to hybrid technology or a minor upgrade. According to Musk himself, Toyota's new engine has the power to wipe out the EV industry as we know it. But before we uncover this groundbreaking innovation, let's take a step back and see how we got here. The story begins nearly a century ago, not in an automotive plant, but in a small textile factory in Japan. It was there that an unwavering commitment to innovation would spark one of the most significant technological revolutions in automotive history. Sakichi Toyoda, a brilliant inventor, transformed the textile industry with his creation of the automatic loom. This game-changing device not only mechanized weaving, but also introduced jidoka, a revolutionary idea that allowed machines to stop automatically when an issue arose. This concept of automation with a human touch would later become a fundamental pillar of Toyota's manufacturing success. His son, Kiichiro Toyota, took this legacy beyond textiles and into automobiles. After studying the inefficiencies of American mass production, Kiichiro saw an opportunity for a smarter, leaner approach. He pioneered the just-in-time JIT production method, an innovative strategy that ensured parts were produced only when needed, in the exact quantity required. This approach eliminated waste, maximized efficiency, and laid the groundwork for what would become the legendary Toyota Production System, TPS. The TPS is built upon two fundamental pillars, JIT and jidoka. While JIT focuses on synchronizing production processes to ensure a continuous flow and reduce waste, jidoka emphasizes quality control by empowering workers and machines to detect and address issues immediately. This dual approach not only enhanced productivity, but also ensured that quality was ingrained in every step of the manufacturing process. Toyota's commitment to continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, further distinguished it from its competitors. This philosophy encouraged every employee, from assembly line workers to executives, to actively seek out and implement improvements in their daily tasks. By fostering a culture where suggestions for enhancement were valued and acted upon, Toyota cultivated an environment of perpetual innovation. The company's adeptness at reading market trends became evident during the 1973 oil crisis, as fuel prices soared and consumers sought more fuel-efficient vehicles. Toyota was ready with models like the Corolla. These cars offered exceptional fuel economy at a time when many American manufacturers were grappling with declining demand for their less efficient, larger vehicles. Toyota's foresight and agility during this period solidified its reputation as a responsive and forward-thinking automaker. In the early 2000s, Toyota once again demonstrated its innovative prowess with the introduction of the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle. By combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor, the Prius delivered impressive fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. This move not only set a new standard in automotive technology, but also underscored Toyota's role as a pioneer in sustainable mobility solutions. In 2024, something extraordinary happened behind closed doors. Elon Musk, the face of the electric vehicle revolution, made an unexpected visit to Toyota's headquarters in Japan. While such meetings between automotive executives aren't unusual, what made this visit different was its unprecedented level of secrecy. In the events that followed, according to sources familiar with the matter, Toyota's CEO Koji Sato personally invited the tech mogul to review their latest technological developments. This unusual move sparked speculation throughout the industry. Why would Toyota share their closely guarded secrets with a theoretical competitor? The meeting is said to have lasted for over 6 hours. During this time, Elon was granted access to Toyota's most advanced research facility, where next-generation engine technology was being developed. What happened in that facility remains largely confidential, but the impact was immediately apparent. Several engineers who worked closely with Elon reported a notable change in his demeanor upon his return. The billionaire appeared unusually contemplative. When pressed about the visit, Elon Musk simply stated, "Toyota's new engine will destroy the entire EV industry." Coming from a man who had dedicated his career to making electric vehicles mainstream, this statement sent shockwaves. So, what exactly did he see? While specific technical details remain under wraps, industry experts believe Toyota has achieved something previously thought impossible: an internal combustion engine that combines unprecedented efficiency with near-zero emissions. The system reportedly integrates advanced hydrogen combustion technology with a revolutionary hybrid system that requires minimal rare earth materials. The implications are staggering. Such an engine would offer the convenience and quick refueling of traditional vehicles while matching or exceeding the environmental benefits of electric vehicles. More importantly, it would sidestep many of the challenges facing mass EV adoption: grid capacity issues, charging infrastructure limitations, and the environmental impact of battery production. When asked about the technical specifics during a recent Tesla earnings call, Elon's response was uncharacteristically reserved. "I made my decision to respect Toyota's wishes and not reveal any technical details to the public. What I can say is that they've achieved something remarkable, something that's pushed me to think differently about the future of transportation. Tesla will need to work much harder to create something even better." This statement, coming from Elon, speaks volumes. It suggests that Toyota's innovation is a fundamental breakthrough that could reshape the entire automotive industry. Industry analysts even suggest that Toyota's new engine technology could begin appearing in production vehicles as early as 2026. The company has already filed numerous patents related to advanced combustion systems and hybrid powertrains. Though the specific details remain heavily guarded, what's clear is that this development has forced a reevaluation of the automotive industry's future. The assumption that battery electric vehicles would completely replace internal combustion engines is being challenged. Instead, we might be entering an era where multiple technologies coexist, each serving different needs and markets. What do you think the future will look like after hearing all of this? Let us know in the comments.